Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Bastara Karnal in CSE department. Today we are going to learn about verification and validation. What is verification and what is validation? So these both process is the process of investigating whether a software system specifies this specifications and standards and fulfill the required purpose. They both played an important role in developing good software development. Verification helps in examining whether the product is developed right according to the requirements, whereas while validation helps in examining whether the right product is built to meet the user needs. So, in a simpler way, we can say verification testing involves checking whether a system or a component meets the requirements, and validation is basically, we can say that it is an activity that ensures that an end product stakeholders' true needs, expectations are met or not. What is verification testing? Verification testing includes different activities such as business requirements, system requirements, design review, and code walkthroughs while developing a product. It is also known as static testing, whereas we are ensuring that we are developing the right product or not. It also checks that the developed application fulfilling all the requirements given by the client or. So this is the basic diagram of verification. So business requirement documents being made in the verification process, system design, including system designs, we can include high level design and low level designs. Then system requirements, in the system requirement specifications we include customer and software, so the CRS and the SRS. So these are all the requirements which been developed while doing the verification testing. And the advantage of the verification testing is like, early and frequent verification reduces the number of bugs and defects that may show up in the later stages. So that's why verification is very important. What is validation? Validation is the process of checking whether the software product is up to the mark, or in other words, product has high level requirements. It is the process of checking the validation of the product. It checks what we are developing is the right product. It is the validation of the actual and expected products. Validation is dynamic testing. Validation means, are we building the right product? So basically, validation is the process used to ensure that the final product meets the true needs and expectation of the stakeholders or not. So this is the basic diagram of validation. So these are the testing which we need to perform while doing the validation testing. That includes white box testing, functional testing, unit testing also it's been covered in this, integration testing, system testing, UAT, user acceptance testing. What is the difference between verification and validation? So verification is done like manually executed, and validation is computer based execution. Verification is done to ensure that the customer has met its request specifications, and validation run to ensure that the software meets the customer's expectation or not. Verification process takes place means inspection, reviews, and it validation is done through white box testing, black box testing, and gray testing, etc. So they are verification testing are the low level exercises, and validation are the high level and complex exercises. And verification targets the software architecture, database design, etc., and validation tests solely targets on the actual product. So Verification is reviewed by the internal teams, of course, and this is validation is reviewed by the external teams. Verification is the low cost testing method, and because it's related to the documents, and validation cost compared to verification test, because costly, it is very costly because they use the latest technology and the softwares for validation in different kind of testing. To like and subscribe the channel if you like our content. Thank you.